here in the house.
Mr. G. Secret basement hatch.
A decent basement space in it, but only accessible from the outside. So I remedied that with a pretty simple and pretty crude hatch here, which, you know, I was hoping to put it all the way in the closet when I initially was thinking about it in my head. That didn't really work, of course, because the size of the hatch has got to be big enough to get in and out. So I just cut it from the inside. As you can see, I could have done a lot better on the cuts here. Right there. You know, if I could have cut it real nice, it'd almost be, you know, hidden, totally hidden, which was one of the points. And then I split it in two. Right now it's just got a strap on it, a heavy tie strap basically screwed down. A little piece of pad thing there. And then I framed it out. Backside, two different hinges, what I had at the time. Framed it out with 2x4s here. There's the old floor joist, got a 2x4 there, that side, double there, one run across. And then I was able to, basically it's got a ladder propped up against the one step, and it's worked so well that I've never done anything else with it. Let me get a light here. Got wires and lights strung up. This is all my eBay inventory that my son takes care of now. And so here's the entrance that was provided by the home builder. So yeah, just screwed a 2x6 there to the floor joist, prop this ladder up. Actually got the ladder secured there. And it's worked so well. It's been like 3 years, 4 years now, that it's nothing like that. This is just an old bed frame, and a 2x6 there is like a shelf to set stuff on that you can then go up and, you know, pass on up to the top easily without trying to carry it all the way up. You just got to make sure you duck under it. Same way with this little ledge here. It's just this little bunk bed frame. Yeah, it's worked really good. I know it's probably not a situation a lot of people have, but if you do, it's definitely a solution that made it all this space totally usable and easily accessible, where normally it wouldn't be. You have to leave outside of the house, walk all the way around to the back of the house to get into the basement. This basement did get some water in it when we had one terrible flood, rainstorm. Lasted for like a week, which was surprising because it never gotten even hardly damp before. It really sucks because some stuff got damaged, and there's a couple, probably a good inch of water in here. But yeah, happy to answer any questions or anything. If you find yourself in a similar situation, you can definitely do a nicer and cleaner job, but it works. And yeah, like I say, it's made it extremely handy and accessible space down here that normally didn't have. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Check out my other videos. Mm.